The Nuna Exec and the Britax One4Life are two amazing all-in-one car seats, and in this video, I'm going to be comparing them side by side. Now, you may be researching these car seats and other car seats, so if you have any questions and you need a personalized consultation to answer your questions, that's what we're here for at Magic Beans. So you should book a free virtual consultation, email me your questions to questions@mbeans.com, or just leave a comment below, or give us a call, 617-383-8259. And here is the Nuna Exec compared to the Britax One4Life. I have the Nuna Exec and the Britax One4Life car seats. They are all-in-one car seats. They start at 5 pounds, like a newborn baby, and go all the way up to 120 pounds. So you can have it in infant mode, sort of like baby mode, toddler mode, and then child mode. Like I said, they turn into booster seats. So in terms of longevity, these both really hit that mark. The Graco Forever car seat is seemingly the most popular car seat in America, but these are both sort of upgraded versions of that. So if you're looking at the Graco Forever, you should probably look at the Exec and the Britax because they are super easy to install, have really, really nice features, and I'm excited about showing you these two car seats and sort of comparing the two. So like I said, in terms of the basic stats, they both go rear-facing, forward-facing, and booster seat, which is really great. The Nuna Exec is flame retardant free, just like all other Nuna car seats, and this particular Britax One4Life is the clean comfort variety, which is really great because you can both wash it and dry their fabric. And it's like this nice, like really comfortable, breathable material. They both have non-rethread harnesses, so you don't have to rethread the harness, which is particularly convenient in an all-in-one car seat. In terms of installation, they both are optimized to be installed with a seatbelt. You open up the door in the forward-facing position. There's this little red door. You open up the door, you route the seatbelt through, click it in, and then you change over the retractor, and it's very, very easy to install. There's like little doors on the interior. They're fantastic. In terms of the click tight, I think it's a little bit easier even, because what you do is there are these little two chunky buttons. You click them. This whole situation opens up, and then what you do is you put the seatbelt right through this area, click it in, close it down, and it's easy to install. They're both like very, very easy to install. Again, you can install them both with latch, but it's optimized to install with a seatbelt. They both come with cup holders. So the cup holders on the Exec pop out, and they have this little sort of OXO type situation that makes it easy to put your sippy cup in, and then you can see there are two sort of nice exposed cup holders on the One4Life. The Nuna Exec has this really cool feature of this sort of lounge-like leg rest. And what you do is, in the forward-facing position, your child, sort of their calves, I guess, are gonna be leaning against this very comfortable position, which you can sort of adjust in the forward-facing position. That's unique to this car seat. I think it's a really nice feature. But the cool thing is, in the rear-facing position, when you pop this up, this doubles as an anti-rebound panel. Now, you can add anti-rebound bar to the Britax One4Life if you wish, so that is another nice feature of the One4Life. They both go into booster seat mode, so you adjust the headrest all the way up to the top, and then they have sort of this exposed red little hook, and you take your seatbelt and you hook it through, and then you click it in. In terms of the Exec, pull it up, and there's a purple. So there are 3 indicators on the Exec. Oh, by the way, I do a full review of the Nuna Exec on the channel. I also do a review of the One4Life, so you should check out those videos next, just so you know. But again, there are 3 indicators on the Exec. Blue is rear-facing, red is forward-facing with harness, and purple, like the color of the booster seat mode, is in booster seat mode. So purple is booster seat mode. You pull open this little hook, and you belt it through. So, like I said, there are lots of similarities between these, and I don't know if I mentioned this already, they're both rear-facing to, They're rear-facing to 50 pounds, because we like when our children are rear-facing, as long as possible. Both the Nuna Exec and the Britax One4Life are available from us for Magic Beans with free shipping. If you're confused about these car seats, or maybe you're thinking about an all-in-one or a convertible car seat, I'd highly recommend that you book a free virtual consultation with one of our experts, where via Zoom, what we'll do is we will take you through all of the features step by step. I'm gonna drop a link below to our mbeans.com/consultations. I'll also put a graphic right here so you can see mbeans.com/consultations. Definitely book one of them. They're amazing, and they will help you anywhere in the continental US. We would love to actually help you. I also, you may be in the market for a convertible car seat. I do an amazing roundup of the best convertible car seats of 2020, and I would suggest that you watch that video right after this video. So I will see you at the next video. Thanks for watching.